Once again, welcome to my practical hands-on labs, and today I will walk you through how to identify relationships using scatter plots in Excel, which is part of the digital course Data Analysis using Excel. Now, initially, you have a data set, and in this case, you're going to explore a data set that try to illustrate a relationship between the distance someone is from a supermarket, and depending on the item within which is found in that supermarket, is someone likely to spend more? So assuming an individual in one town requires a very expensive set of seats that is not available in that town, the individual is most likely to travel to another town to get that set of seats. That is the relationship we want to look at, as compared to if you are just close to that supermarket and whatever you need to, you just want to walk in and buy whatever it is that you need. So is there a relationship between the distance someone is with that supermarket as compared to the amount that they are likely to spend? So from within Excel sheet, you open Excel sheet and click on the Insert tab and click on any particular location in the Excel sheet, any cell within the data set, and then navigate to the cell and navigate to the Scatter tab and select the scatter plot. And you will see that from the scatter plot generated by Excel for the data set that has been selected, there is a likelihood of a relationship between the distance and the amount being spent. So as the distance increases, the distance is in Excel in the x-axis. As the distance increases, the amount being spent by that particular customer also increases. So that is an illustration, the use of a scatter plot to illustrate the relationship between two variables. Thank you very much. And in our next hands-on practical lab, I will also show you how to measure the minimum, the maximum, and go through the quartiles, which is quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and be able to explain what are these quartiles within your data set. For you to be notified automatically about my upload and next videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Until next time, goodbye.